Now, how to redeem a Lyft promo code. So you open the Lyft app and log in, tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then go to promos or payments. Now, depending on your app version, you'll see a section labeled add promo code or enter promo code. Now, tap that field, type in your code exactly as it appears, and hit apply. Now, you will see a confirmation message that the promo has been added and your next eligible ride will use it automatically. Now, after entering your code, go back to the home screen and request a ride as you normally would. And before you confirm, check the fare estimate screen to make sure your discount is displayed. If it is, you're all set. Now, promo codes expire, so you do use them before the listed date and keep an eye on the terms. Some are only for new riders, others have ride minimums. And that's it. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more fast app tips and drop a comment with any other apps you want help with next.